Thank you. All set. 4:59. Let's go. 21 kilometers left. Good morning. You know what's good about running in the morning? Nothing's happening. Ganda. Masarap. Oh, nice ring pala. We're doing 21k today. 21.10 to complete the half marathon for the second time. Total distance remaining 1640. Yes, malayo-layo pa. 7 times na 3 kilometers. Malapit lang yan. 6, 12, 18, 21. Yan pala. Tigpanda pa. Ganda. 7, 14, 21. O, diba? Malapit lang. 7.89 na lang. 11.10. So that means we still have 10 kilometers. Pero mag-refuel muna tayo kasi ayaw natin mamatay sa daan. By the way, this is now the final battle. Dito nangyayari yung mental warfare. Kung gusto mo nang sumuko, kung gusto mo nang lakad na lang. What fun is that before? I already know what giving up feels like. I just wanna know the feeling if I don't. Yun lang, nalaglag. Gamit. 9.98 remaining. Tapusin natin dito. Iba tayo sa forest. Ganda pala dito. Ito yung pinajajayingan nung pinapanood kong influencer. Rasta girl. R.I.P. daw. Run in peace. Naisip na ba naisip ko? Ibang init eh. Can you try? Sige na. Bigyan mo ng bata. I need sprinklers. Mainit. Babaliwan ito. Hindi na tayo mag-PPR ng 2:30. Yan na. Nag-enjoy tayo dito. Tara ulit. Sorry na. Thank you. Isa pa. Last. Kasi ang cellphone. 45 minutes ulit. Tara na. Ang half marathon, official distance niya is 21.10. So nagkamali tayo last time. We're correcting it. Today, gawin natin 21.10. Para meron na tayong log or record talaga ng half marathon. 19.05. 1.10 na lang. 25.35. Lapit na. Sometimes kung kailan ka papatapos, hindi mo pa gustong sumuko. 0.30 na lang. Lapit na. Tara. Come on bro. We can still do that. 2:30. Come on. Pasok pa rin tayo kahit paano. So 2:30. 2:29 to for sure. Yes. But still we need to finish point 10. Last one. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you universe. I don't know. Yun ang legit na half marathon. Let's press save para sa ganun makita natin. Just lower siya compared dun sa naunang 21 kilometers ko kasi kulang nga yun ng point 10. Okay lang. Sa mga nagbabalak na mag long distances kapag Sundays, you have to have some research. You have to plan 2 to 3 days before running kasi meron pang carbo loading phase. Tapos syempre, magdasal ka. Kasi whenever you're outside, you are prone to danger. Di mo alam kung kailan ka kukunin. No? Sabi nga ng Stoicism, death stares at us. In any moment, pwede na tayong kunin. The only act of rebellion that we can do is smile back. No? Smile back. Kasi we finally accepted that death is inevitable. Sabi din sa Dead Poet Society, Carpe diem. Basta, seize the moment. Seize every single day. Kasi you never know when will be your last day here on earth. Should I feel gloomy thinking about that? No, I must not. Instead, make it like a wake-up call to you. You have to live life. There's so many potential left in your tank. Message din to sa mga kabataan na gustong magbago, na gustong karoon ng impact kahit pa paano, mga mangilan-ngilan. We're done with the 21. Kinompleto na natin. Uy, may nabibideo ka. Kinompleto na natin 21.10. Wala na tayong utang. Sunod natin 42. Sunod natin full Mary. Alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi pa ako handa for full Mary. Need more training, need more time, and I need more dedication. And of course, need more research. Bye.